We're gonna take a look at a Dark Horse case. I don't know where the box is. Computer that I just put together. There's a front. We'll turn it on later. Yeah, it's nice. I bought 4 fans, a Roswell one. Don't recommend it. 5080. Let's take a look at the back. The front. While it's dark. Here's the side. There's my bad cable management. So yeah, here's a CPU power cable, motherboard power cable, SATA right there, hard drive right there, and then the Roswell controller. And then yeah, there's around this much space of room to build with, and then that's the cable. Then there's a deeper area here for more cable management. You can put the big 3.5 here, and then on top another 3.5. That's sort of annoying to pull in and out. And then you have 2 SSD right there. So yeah, and then yeah, it actually fits nicely. And let's take a look around and turn it on. Let's plug it in first. Let's see where's the plug. Let's see, power button. Nope. Switch. Yeah, there's the front. I can't really see, so let's see. There's controller for that. Off, on. Spinning on the thing, red, rainbow, radiant, blade, breathe. You sort of have to face it there. And there's a fan. There is on low. I have 4 fans plugged in that are colorful. They are ARGB. There's a fan full blast. Medium, breathing, that, blue, purple. Okay, yeah. Let's do this one. Breathing, blade's cool. Okay, let's turn around. So yeah, there's the inside. You guys can see. So yeah, and then I don't have the film yet removed, but sorry. There it is. The nice part is just opens. Yeah. And depending on your leveling. Yeah. Nice case flow. Heat rises. You can put 2 more? I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. So yeah, there it is. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.